The 20-year-old UWI student who was found dead on campus in October was laid to rest today. Her loved ones remembered her as someone who always tried to help the vulnerable in society. We have the details in this report.
Jacket, suits and dresses. Not the service the parents, other relatives and friends of Victoria Hanley envisioned they would be attending when she left home to pursue studies at the University of the West Indies. But instead of a graduation, they had to gather for her funeral. The tragedy has broken her loved ones.
I'm indeed a broken man. No one, as parents, would have ever perceived a day in their wildest imagination of having a situation such as this.
The 20-year-old student, affectionately called Vicky by those who knew her, was found dead in her room at the Georgia Lane Hall at the University of the West Indies about 6 a.m. on October 16. An autopsy performed on the student revealed that she died of asphyxiation and a maneuver on the neck under unknown circumstances. It is a fateful image of her loved ones find hard to digest, and so they refuse to remember her in that way, and instead will reflect on her short life spent helping the elderly and vulnerable.
I have internalized that memory. She would sacrifice of herself and then seek to make herself happy thereafter. Such was the personality of Vicky. As a result of that, should I ever see the poor on the street or the drug addicts on the street, I will always remember Vicky. Vicky has exited. It is for us to embrace her memories to make our lives better.
5 weeks ago, the police, after the post-mortem, indicated that with the process now completed, further analysis would be done to determine the circumstances surrounding the student's death.